Hi everyone, my name is Alex Ryan. If you're looking to import from China to New Zealand, then keep watching because this video is for you. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So you're based in New Zealand, so maybe you're looking to import from China to New Zealand. Well, there's a couple of ways to do that. First of all, you're in a great place to be. New Zealand is we're very close to China, so the shipping costs are going to be quite low compared to a lot of other countries like, USA, South America, London. There's more ways to go and more fuel and all that. So we're very blessed. Australia and New Zealand is very blessed to be so close to China. And the shipping rates, we've got some very good competitive shipping rates too. But whatever you import, whatever you decide to start a business, whether you're drop shipping, whether you're importing from China and starting your online business, you want to sell stuff on Amazon, sell stuff on TradeMe, whatever you're doing, make sure that whatever you're selling is a hot product. It's a product that people want to buy. And I think people tend to overlook that. They don't know what they're selling. They don't know how to sell it. They overlook the marketing factor as well. And they're not too sure how to find the hot products. They're not too sure how to do keyword research. So these are things, if you're in a business of importing from China to your country, whether it's Australia, New Zealand, or wherever you're based, make sure that you are focusing on marketing. You're making sure that whatever you import, you can sell it, because you don't want to end up with a garage full of stock. One of our clients it wasn't our client at the time, but he ended up importing these solar power for iPhones. So you might be at a meeting or you might be on the beach and your iPhone goes dead. So this cover had a solar panel on it, and you leave it in the sun and it charges it up. And I was like, that's a fantastic idea. And he goes, yeah, but I was a little bit late to the game because I bought it after the fad hit and I couldn't sell them. And I had a garage full of stock of these iPhone chargers. And every time I would go to the garage, get a tool, I was reminded of the fact that I could not sell these things. And every time my wife went down there to pick something up, she would come up and remind me of the fact that I could not sell these. And I just want to park my car in my garage again. How do I do that? And we helped him sell the stock, which is good. But whatever you import, make sure it's not a fad. Don't import the iPhone solar power chargers. Don't do that, because that's a fad. Fidget spinners, it's a fad, right? The Slinkies. That was a bit of a fad, but that's from the 70s, and that probably won't sell as well these days. But import something that's sustainable, that people are always going to buy. Import something that people are actually wanting, that's going to last for 12 months or 24 months or longer, right? You want to really have a business that people are always going to have a need for that product. You don't want to import something for short lifetime span, okay? Because then you might buy too much stock. And you might not be able to sell it all. You might have more competitors hit the market, more drop shippers, whatever. You're competing against all these people. So make sure that it's not a fad product, all right? A product that's going to have a short life expectancy. Go to China. If you're looking for products, going to China also does help. It gives you a lot of product ideas. But before you go over there, invest in some proper advice. Go to an import-export person and get some advice about this. We've been teaching people now for about 7 years, showing people how to import from China, how to start an import business, how to choose hot products, how to negotiate the factory, how to ensure you're not going to get ripped off from Chinese suppliers and Alibaba. Come to us, give us a call, 02-8003-7534, the number's right there. But get some advice, and because importing mistakes can be expensive, you want to ensure that you're importing a proper product, that you can sell the product afterwards. So speak to someone who knows what they're doing. And I think that's something people overlook as well. They don't know how to sell products. They're not very good at marketing. And they don't know, they think, oh, you know what, I'll just get a website up and I'll be able to sell these products, right? Oh, we had clients who were importing clothing. They imported fitness clothing, sort of like fitness bras, fitness tops and all this. And they were competing with all these other brands as well. And she goes, oh, I said, this is before she was a client. I said, oh, how are you going to import these? Oh, sorry, how are you going to sell these? And she says, well, I'm going to just have a website. I'm just going to sell on the website. And I said, well, have you ever had a website before? And she goes, no. And I said, have you ever sold anything before, like on Trade Me or on eBay or Amazon? Have you ever traded on Amazon before? She goes, no, it's got to be easy, right? And I said, well, there's courses out there showing people how to do this sort of stuff, but a lot of people struggle to sell because they don't understand marketing, they don't understand sales copy, they don't understand advertising, doing banner advertising, paid ads, Facebook ads, AdWords, doing Amazon sponsored listings. People don't really understand this sort of stuff. So you've got to, having a website's it's like having a shop front in the middle of the Gobi Desert. No one knows where you are, what you're selling, how to find you, all right? So you need to have all this stuff set up. No one knows how to get website traffic these days, right? But now that's something that I teach as well. So guys, if you're looking to start a business, whether it's importing to New Zealand or importing to Australia or wherever country you're in, give us a call today. The number's right there. Contact us, check out our website, check out our other videos. We've got a lot of free content out there. We've got a free webinar showing you how to import from China and just some basics on your product selection, but get some advice, guys. It's really important. We're actually mentoring people right now all around the world. Most of our clients are Australian, New Zealand, and then we've also got a lot of Americans as well. If you're looking for guidance, if you're looking for mentorship, give us a call. Contact us, guys, because that's what we do. We do this every single day. My name's Alex Ryan, guys. Thanks for joining in. Thanks for tuning into the studio. Have an awesome importing journey. I wish you all the best. Talk to you real soon.